Hello, so here's how the program works. I'm currently in this directory that has all these executable files in it. The main one is scp.py, so let's run that. It's going to open up a random article that I haven't read yet. Cool, the log of anomalous items. Say that's not what I want to read right now. I just type N here, hit enter, automatically closes, and I can reroll for another one. Ooh, observable time loop. I've read this before, so let's say, yes, I have read this. Say I rated a 9. Keep on building. Stuck in 5 minutes. That'll do. Great. And it's now saved the information that I've put in there. And I can just keep re-rolling and keep saving stuff to my database. So let's take a look at a different thing. Take a look at dicstats.py, with dict standing for dictionary. That's just a data structure. It's not an innuendo or anything. Okay, anyway, so Python dicstats.py. Let's take a look at this. So you have read 107 SCPs. That's this % of my database. Enter a number to see which articles you've given this rating to. Let's say I want to take a look at all of the articles that I've rated 9. So I enter 9 here. Let's take a look. Alright, so we have the SCP numbers and the titles here. You got all of my blurbs that I've written are over here. Would you like to reread one of the articles? Please enter the corresponding number to the left, or N if you'd prefer not to. Say sure, I really want to reread the Shia LaBeouf viewer. That was pretty cool. I've put in 23 there. Hit enter. And hello. It's the Shia LaBeouf article. And once I'm done with it, instead of just closing it myself, I can enter Y there. And it's going to keep on asking me if I want to reread articles that I've rated 9. And if I don't want to, I just hit enter N, and it exits. And I can rerun it if I want to take a look at all the things that I rated 10 or something like that. Great, so there's that. We can also take a look at edit dict. Oops, sorry, it's late, so I'm making errors. Edit dict.py. Let's say, okay, so if you guys take a look at the URLs of stuff, what it's asking for over here with the final URL segment of the articles, it's always referring to everything that ends after the slash here. So for example, SCP-173, if I want to edit my stuff that I've saved for SCP-173, I enter in this. Article found, I've called it the original, I've rated it 8. Let's say I've changed my mind about it, I want to rate it 7, and I want to call it the creepypasta instead. So my rating is now 7, the creepypasta. I want to keep the title as that, and I'm using commas to delineate my fields. And there, it's been a success. So if I want to do that again, or if I want to make sure that my change is saved, SCP-173, article found, and we can see that my changes have been saved in the database. And now I'm going to press N to cancel this save. One last thing. So Python dict_add.py is the last one. This is just if you have an SCP that's not in the main list, that's not in the top save that you want to add to your database. I wrote, I think it's this one. Yeah, great. So I want to vainly add SCP-277 to my database. Oops, fuck. I misread my own script, I'm so sorry. Oops. So let's do that again. I'm not gonna mess up. Let's just say for kicks that it's an SCP I haven't read yet. Please enter the URL and again, that's going to be SCP-277, corresponding to that right there. Boom, successfully added. It looks different if we add an SCP that you've already read. It's just going to ask you for the information like your rating and your blurb and stuff. We can do one of those real quick. Probably SCP-003 is not in the top rated. Let's run this again. Let's choose to add an SCP I've already read. Number 2, hit enter. URL ends 003 is the one I've chosen. Rating, I rated a 0. I don't remember which one is 003 right now. Your blurb, this later, and it's been successfully added. So if we take a look at we can, oh shit, it's actually in there. I forgot that one was the biological motherboard. Okay, I'll just change that later. Anyway, we can see that my changes have been added. Cool, so this is my program. Please, for the love of God, leave a comment so I can add it to my presentation to make it less lame. Thank you so much. Goodbye.